Hey there, curious minds. Ready to unlock the secrets of our amazing world? Let's get started. Your body is a super busy factory, always building, breaking down, and making energy. But it needs tiny, invisible helpers to speed everything up. Get ready for enzymes. From digesting food to building muscles, your body relies on millions of tiny chemical reactions every second. These reactions often happen way too slowly on their own. It would take forever to digest your lunch or grow tall. That's where enzymes come in. Think of them as your body's specialized super helpers, speeding up reactions by millions of times. Enzymes are super specific. Each enzyme is like a special key designed to fit only one specific lock, called a substrate molecule. They connect at a special spot on the enzyme called the active site. It's a perfect fit. One of an enzyme's jobs is to break big molecules apart, like in digestion, where food is broken into tiny pieces. Other enzymes do the opposite. They bring smaller molecules together, helping your body build new things like muscles or DNA. The best part? The enzyme doesn't get used up. After its job, it releases the new molecules and is free to go help another one. It's reusable. Think about digesting your food. Enzymes in your mouth, stomach, and intestines break down food super fast so your body can use it. Enzymes are also hard at work helping you grow, building new skin, bones, and muscles every single day. But enzymes are sensitive. They only work best at specific temperatures and acid levels, which is why your body keeps things just right. Without enzymes, your body's reactions would slow to a crawl. Digestion would take weeks, and you wouldn't be able to move or grow. Enzymes aren't just in your body. They're used in laundry detergent, making cheese, and even in many medicines. These tiny, reusable helpers are the unsung heroes of your body, making life possible by speeding up every single reaction. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe to Tender Intellects for more such fun videos.